Nana, are you sick?
I don't know, sweetheart. I feel very weak.
Lily, something is wrong.
Nana, please sit down.
Yes, I will.
Nana! She fell down.
Is she okay?
Nana, wake up!
She won't wake up. I'm scared, Lily.
Nana, can we help?
Yes, come here, both of you.
What are we making? Chocolate chip cookies! My favorite! Can I mix it, Nana?
Of course, sweetheart.
I want to mix too! Wait your turn, Tom.
There's enough for both.
Nana, where is Mom today?
Your mom is at the store.
Okay. Where is Dad?
He's at work today.
Just us three.
I'll put them in the oven.
How long do we wait? About 12 minutes. Can we lick the spoon?
Yes, one each.
Mine is better. Mine is the...
Let me wash my hands now.
Okay, Nana. Nana, are you okay?
I'm fine, sweetheart. Just a little warm.
Do you want some water?
Yes, thank you, Lily.
I'll get it. Here, Nana.
Thank you, sweetheart.
I smell cookies. Almost ready.
A few more minutes.
Come on, cookies.
Oh, I feel a little dizzy.
Dizzy? What is dizzy?
Nana, your face looks white.
I just need to sit down.
Nana, are you sick?
I don't know, sweetheart. I feel very weak.
Lily, something is wrong.
Nana, please sit down.
Yes, I will.
Nana! She fell down.
Is she okay?
Nana, wake up!
She won't wake up. I'm scared, Lily. Nana, can you hear me? Please open your eyes. What do we do?
I don't know yet. Think.
She is breathing. How do you know?
I can see her chest move.
She is still sleeping.
She is not sleeping, Tom. She fainted.
What is fainted?
Her body felt too weak. She fell down.
We need to call for help.
Mom, come on!
Where is the phone?
I know! Look, look on the cat!
I found it! Here!
Good job, Tom!
I'll call Mom first. What if she doesn't answer? Then we call 911. Mom, Nana, she won't wake up. Mom is not answering. Try Dad. Did Dad answer? No, you have to call 911. What is 911?
It's for emergencies. They send help.
911.
Please answer. Someone answered. Tell them! Tell them!
911, what is your emergency?
My grandmother fainted. She fell on the floor.
Is she breathing?
Yes, her chest is moving.
Good girl. Stay calm. What is your address?
I need to think.
Lily, it's 14 Oak Street.
Our address is 14 Oak Street.
Perfect. Help is coming.
Thank you. Please hurry.
Is help coming?
Yes, an ambulance.
What is an ambulance?
An ambulance has doctors inside.
Like a hospital car?
Yes, exactly like that.
Should we move her?
No, the lady said don't move her.
Okay, we stay here.
Can you check her pulse?
Her pulse? What is that?
Put your fingers on her neck. Do you feel a small beat?
Yes, I feel it. It is beating.
That is her pulse.
Good.
Did you find the pulse? Yes. I felt her heartbeat. She is alive. Her skin feels cold. Should we cover her? Yes, get a blanket. I see one on the sofa. Here, use this one. Good, Tom. Thank you. Nana, help is coming. Please be okay. We love you, Nana. Why is she not waking up? Her body needs to rest. That is what fainting is.
Are you still there?
Yes, I'm here with Herer. I hear something outside. What do you hear? A siren! I hear a siren! The ambulance is coming! I hear the ambulance!
Good. Go open the door.
I will. Thank you! Please hurry. Please hurry.
We're here. Where is she?
In the kitchen! This way!
Is she breathing?
Yes, her chest moves.
Perfect answer. Hello? We're going to help her.
Please help my Nana.
We will. You did great. Her pulse is okay.
Her breathing is steady.
Is she going to be okay?
We are checking now. You called at the right time.
Where am I? You fainted. You're safe.
My grandchildren. Nana, you're awake. Nana, we called 911. My brave ones.
We need to take her now.
Can we come too?
Is there an adult you can call?
I'll call Mom again. Yes, tell her to come now. I will. Mom, come home. Now. Nana fainted. The ambulance is here. Tell her to hurry. Is Mom coming? Yes, she is coming fast.
Good.
I love you both so much.
We love you, Nana. Get better fast.
Your mom is coming?
Yes, she is on her way.
Stay inside. You'll be okay.
You two saved her life today.
We did?
You really did.
The siren is loud. That means they are hurrying. Good. I'm tired, Lily. Me too, Tom. You were so brave today. Let's go inside and wait. Okay, will Mom be long? She said 5 minutes. I'm hungry. The cookies! The oven is still on! I'll turn it off. The cookies are dark. That's okay. Nana is more important.
The cookies burned a little.
We can make new ones with Nana.
When she gets better,
A car! A car is here! That's Mom!
Oh, babies! Are you okay? We called 911.
Tell me everything.
Lily found her pulse!
You checked her pulse?
The 911 lady told me how.
I am so proud of you.
I was scared, Mom.
Being scared is okay. You still helped.
I found the phone! And I remembered our address! That saved the day, Tom.
We need to go to the hospital.
Can we come with you?
Yes, of course. How far is the hospital?
Not far. 10 minutes.
Drive fast, Mom!
Mom, what happens when you faint?
Your body gets too weak. You need to lie down and rest.
Is Nana sick? The doctors will check her. Will they fix her?
Doctors help people feel better.
Like the paramedics?
Yes, just like them.
Mom, what is a pulse?
It is your heartbeat. You can feel it in your neck.
Let me feel mine! Put your fingers here, Tom.
We're here. Stay close.
I see the ambulance! Nana is inside.
Hold my hands, both of you.
Okay.
My mother was brought in by ambulance. Her name, please? Dorothy Watson.
We wait here for now.
I don't like waiting.
Me neither, but we have to. Mom, will Nana be okay?
I believe she will. She got help so fast.
I was scared today.
I know, sweetheart. That was very scary. But you both stayed calm.
We tried to.
That is all anyone can do.
Dad!
I came as fast as I could.
These two saved Nana today.
I heard you called 911.
Yes, I was scared.
I am so proud of you both. Are you Dorothy Watson's family?
Yes. How is she?
She is awake and resting. Her blood pressure was very low. That caused the fainting.
Will she be okay?
Yes, she will be fine. Your children called so fast. That helped very much.
Can we see her?
Yes? Come with me.
Thank you, Doctor.
Hold hands, both of you.
Yes, Mom. I see her room. Nana!
My darlings, come here.
You look better.
I heard you called 911.
Yes. You were so brave, Lily.
And you, Tom?
I found the phone! My little hero.
Mom, you scared us all. I'm sorry, sweetheart.
We're just glad you're okay.
Nana, the cookies burned a little.
We'll make new ones.
When I come home, we make more.
Promise?
I promise, my darling.
We'll come back tomorrow.
Rest now, all of you.
We love you, Nana. Mom, I'm glad I knew to call 911.
That was so important today.
We should always know our address.
Tom, say our address.
14 Oak Street.
Good.
Never forget that.
In an emergency, stay calm first.
And call for help.
Exactly right, sweetheart.
I checked a pulse today.
You helped put the blanket on, too.
I was a helper.
You were brave today.
We were scared.
Brave people are scared. They help anyway.
Tom, I couldn't do it without you. And I needed you, too. That's what family is.
Okay, let's make those cookies.
Yes! This time, no burning.
And no fainting.
Remember, stay calm. Call 911.
And always know your address.